Plotivy is a website that allows you to gain access to AI-powered insights for your data. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And as you can see, Plotivy allows you to actually create some very interesting visualizations, which you can add to presentations. And yeah, it seems like a great way to visualize data and potentially tell stories so that you can actually explain that data to people who are even less technical than yourself. So I'm going to click start creating, and I'm actually going to try an example data set. I'm going to go with let's go with something like let's see what we've got here. X-ray diffraction patterns. Cool. So let's load and generate that. As you can see, we've got some columns here. This is the spreadsheet itself. This is 500 out of the 600 rows in this. Okay, good stuff. So we can see the data intelligence is basically, you can click on this here and it can actually get some insights for us. So this is exactly what you can do when you paste in a CSV document. And we can see here the visualization has been generated. You can see the code over here. Let me just, okay, great. And now we can see the actual graph, which is pretty cool. If we look at the this section here, we can actually modify the visualization in different ways. Which is pretty cool. We can also increase, we can also add new visualizations as well. So I'm going to say, yeah, okay. And just be mindful that that clears the code that's already in there.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So back to this data intelligence, as you can see here, we've got some correlation indicators, some distribution indicators as well, pattern indicators too, and outliers. Yeah, this is all very interesting information. I'm sure it'll be valuable for anyone who constantly has to analyze data, or if you just want to get some new insights from data you receive regularly, then definitely check this out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.